I'm Mark Schneider and you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we're going to see if this thing will make it its final trip. It's factory. So as you can see here, this thing's been run into the ground. What originally started, I think, as a $3,000 car 4 years ago. Oh, that's got movement. Is now we're hoping we can get it running enough to get it to the junkyard. Now the reason why I'm saying that is I'll throw a clip up here. Fast way to blow up a motor. She's an automatic, it won't shift out of second gear. Yeah, she's not they make it. That moment when you know the vehicle's on its last ride home. I can't even force this thing to shift in the third manually. She's fucked. And that's from the last car show we went to. That's on Marcus Schneider channel, linked in the description below, because we like to go to the car shows, and I brought this thing, and this thing decided it didn't want to drive no more on the way home. Now I gotta see if this thing will even. So the first task is getting this thing to start, and it's got power steering fluid everywhere for some ungodly reason. Ooh, it's got rat shit in it. Nice. So now we're going to see about swapping the tires on it.
I've always wondered, did I make the wrong choice? I've been sad for so long. Take me back to Kumo City.
Don't have a lot of time to show you, but you can kind of guess why this thing's going straight to the junkyard. I can't even turn that. Just a rust bucket. You can tell that bushing's gone. That bushing's gone. Somehow this thing has made it as long as it has. Brake lines are starting to crack, but that's not too much of an issue. Oh, that's not even connected. It's about to fall off due to just fucking rust. That's all the intake shit right there. Fun. Not to mention these shock absorbers are shot. So you can see this side too, rusted. The shock's not blown out yet. Well, no, it's wet up there too. So she's blown out. Bushings are okay on this side. The amount of rust coming through there. And for some reason, we have no belt. I don't know why we have no belt, but we have no belt. How long has that been driving like that? Who knows? It drove. These brakes. Nasty. I wonder why this thing had all brand new brake lines. It's not like we did it a couple years ago. But look how much Bondo Someone was making a boat. Oh. Someone's hit something also, because that should be down here and all this metal's formed up. Yeah. She's crusty. That's not moving anywhere soon. Ooh. Now, before someone comments something like, why the hell am I jacking from down there? Remember, this is old Bondo and gone. There is nothing actually part of that pinch weld. She gone. Like I said, I trust that way more than a rocker full of Bondo. Pure Bondo. Gotta hook our deluxe starting system back up. Contact. Another day, another will it start video, you know how it is. She's taking out dash cam. She wants to keep that.
Go away.
Any final words for your car that is to die?
No. The button worked.
No, it won't. Not without power.
I don't know.
That's why we're taking her to the junkyard. This thing is not wanting to shift. And that's a crazy amount of vibration. I don't even know if you can see that. It just sounded quiet for a little bit there. I don't know why. But as you can see, that does nothing. Shifting it between gears. She's redlining. Just lost signal. No signals at all. Alright. She's almost at the scrapyard. She just needs to make it a little bit more. But it's nice to see, like, look. Oh. Come on, keep going. Keep going. So this thing has no belt. I have to I'm stopped. I have to put it in neutral and I'm pushing down on the gas. Otherwise she'll die. And this is why I'm videotaping this. Look, we have to boost the damn thing right at the scale. Because it died right at the scale. This is funny.
Stop videotaping.
Pardon?
They're like blocking traffic.
They can't go in anyways.
I know, I did that.
All right, we're on the scale. We're 3,000 pounds. Awesome. £3,000. Just shy. On and off. This thing, I hope it doesn't die on the scale. This would be embarrassing as hell. It died right in front of the scale, was just embarrassing. Keeps bouncing 20 pounds under 3,000 to 3,000. It's 3,000 pounds. Come on, people, just weigh the vehicle. Go like, there's a car in here. Well, we're leaving the scrapyard. She's one car less.
$400 richer.
Yeah, so $420 for 2850. 2,850 pounds is what the car weighed. Dirty scrap. So that's not bad. Scrap's high, car's dead. It died as soon as I stopped it there for them to inspect it. This is muddy as hell. Dun, 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 dun. She scrapped her first car. In both sense, that sentence works both. It was her first car, and she scrapped her first car. I'm sorry.
Poor car.
I feel bad. It's better than what happened to my first car. My first car, the insurance company scrapped. So at least you got to scrap yours.
And now everybody's blocking the road.
You can leave out the other way.
What other way? This
That way? Yeah.
I can?
Yeah. Go to cancel the insurance. Beautiful car. Right there. Beautiful. So that's where this video is going to end off. And yes, do I wish I could save that vehicle? Yes, I do. Can we save them all? No, we can't. Like, look, later on, the frame from this didn't go because this frame's for that truck. That cab I have to finish stripping out because that cab's ain't go to scrap because that cab is scrap. Ooh. Aftermarket wiring. Someone's splicing in this frame. With this, I have to pull out broken handle. That's a door handle. That might still be useful. That's a broken door handle. Parts. I want to take this door dash bezel and this off. Maybe the glove box. I like this plate. I actually kind of want to keep this starter plate. There's still things that have to be stripped out of this truck that are still good. Floor's rotten, obviously. Roof might be good. These would be good. Couple things. But this cab needs to go to the scrap. Roof skin's not bad on it. I might cut that off. Firewall. We'll see. I'm a sucker. Some things just need to go to the scrap anyways. As much as I am someone who wants to save everything he can from the junkyard, sometimes things need to go to scrap. I have tons to clean up around here. Look at all the broken wood from a tree falling. I need a hand. Literally. This thing needs to go to the scrap. It's our old burn barrel. Got doors over there. Oh, I got tons of stuff. Endless amounts of stuff and projects. I'd rather see things go to scrap than to sit forever getting wasted. Like, look, we have scrap here, some more scrap. It's aluminum. I don't even remember what this is off of. Some old broken horns. Carburetor. Seized. Oh, that freed up. Nah, I hate throwing stuff out, but sometimes you just gotta let stuff go, because like otherwise you're saying keep rusting to the point where it's gonna be a hassle to get out of your yard. A lot of this stuff is already a hassle to get out of this yard. It's gotta be dealt with. I need more hands. Now it's sad to see that go, but that car was shot. Had a blown transmission, the engine was about to blow up. The computer was failing it, the wiring was completely failing it, the car was falling apart, it was filled with Bondo. Like, the number to list on that things on that car outweigh what was fixable for that thing. Do I wish I could fix it? Yes, I love Sunfires to the end of the earth. I love these trucks to the end of the earth, and I got some of these parts that are going to scrap. Like, look, this grill is bent and torn to pieces. This grill is bent. This fender completely bent. I might be able to fix this fender, but this is it's sad, but it's garbage. This cab, looking how rotten this cab is. Rocker's completely gone. This is something that is scrap to me. Like, the back's all bent out. All this fun stuff's bent out. Scrap. Because this stuff sits, it gets worse. So you have to deal with it and get it done. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. We got tons to do. I gotta get this thing working again. I just realized I've passed this several times in the puddle. This has a toque and goggles on it. We have tons of projects going on. I have a couple engines I could rebuild. I have endless amounts of stuff. It's never gonna end. Oh. But hope to see you guys in the next video, and hope you guys enjoy.